Hello, everyone. We are here to talk about the success story of a Prasad. Prasad recently cleared a PMP. When he cleared PMP, let's see that. So here his certificate goes on, and
Good.
November 24, pretty recent, right? Should be 2 to 3 days
Yes.
fresh. So you remember most of the questions now.
Yeah, most of the questions I remember, but I can't disclose.
PMI ethics stops
Yeah.
us. Okay.
Yeah.
But you know what? When the exam is done, when you come out of the hall, the moment you see the word pass, certified,
Yeah.
you don't want to think anything.
Once that congratulation comes, which is very small,
Uh-huh.
rest it is done. Like,
Over. That's it. Kadam. After that, please don't ask me anything.
don't ask me anything. Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations from Sri Learning and team for your success. Even though we
Thank
were
you.
able to contribute a few percentage, but
Yeah.
the majority chunk is from you, only you. Nobody can take that load. Definitely,
Yeah.
families behind that screen.
Yes.
I appreciate it because family support is very needed. But mostly, this a professional courses is an individual effort.
Yeah.
Uh, they have to take the discipline to wake up in the morning, sit with a
Absolutely.
book, stay away from television, politics, cinema,
Everything.
newspaper. Just stay away. This is purely individual effort.
Yeah.
Uh, you can read motivation, you can read a Sadhguru speech,
Yeah.
but end of day, you have to wake up in the morning. If
Yes.
does not happen, nothing there.
Nothing will happen. Yeah.
So credit goes to you and anybody who is preparing and clearing PMP, and good wishes to you. We'll be so happy to hear from you how
Sure.
you made this happen with the discipline, with your style.
Yeah. So Sri Ram, I think
Mhm.
first the credit goes to my wife.
Perfect.
So I have a 6-year-old daughter.
Wow.
So
Uh,
yeah, so you know how energetic these people are, right? So
yeah.
coming in between, I'm studying and then she popping in, then my wife controlling her. So getting up in the morning, like 2 to 3 hours before she wakes up, study, and then again when take a break and then start the same momentum. So entire credit goes to my wife first,
Right.
and after my wife, it is you and Rahul, who
Oh.
I want to really call it out because uh, I did my training in December 2019.
Mm.
After that, I never thought of going forward with the certification immediately. Like everyone thinks like we will do it later, we'll do it later. But
Okay.
then during this lockdown, I was just going through LinkedIn and I saw Sri Learning's few success stories
Okay.
and the some one or two videos which you had posted. So I think that triggered saying yes. Now I think it is time to go for it, because if you can't do it in 2020 with this lockdown and work from home, it will never happen. So that is when I made my mind and said
Mm.
that yes, let's take a date. So I took a date of 11th November first,
Okay.
before Diwali. So I
Okay.
thought let's do it before the festive season. So
Mm.
mid September is when I decided that yes, I have to go for it. So
Mm.
September, October, and then 11th of November. But then going through prepcast, reading books. So I went through first Rita, then
Mm.
I went through PMBOK, then I
Mhm.
went through yeah. After I went through PMBOK, I think I started giving mocks.
Okay.
So I shared my scores with you on WhatsApp and with Rahul. It was not up to the mark. So you said I would recommend go through head first again,
Mm.
go through all the questions, uh, read the wrong and the right ones both. So I did that exercise. After that, I think my score improved a lot.
Very good.
So yeah,
Good. That's good. That's really good. Good. Great to know that because getting the momentum itself is a big task.
yeah,
See,
absolutely.
after a certain age, what happen is, okay, I'm getting some salary. Uh,
Yeah,
there is a family here. Let's run the life as it is. Okay.
yes,
Majority of the people think like that. Only few think that okay, it's not about salary. It's about self-satisfaction. Can I do something more than this? Yeah, some people think about it. Fantastic. So,
absolutely.
yeah, Prashad. Prashad, something behind you in the wall. I can see some posters. Is it related to PMP?
Yeah, it is the reason is 49 processes. Now this is by heart, so I can, in the middle of the night, if someone asks me processes,
Prasad, it looks like your network is breaking.
it is there. So this down 49 processes really.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. There was some break in
and
it.
and then yeah, and then see, if you see, written down all these 49 processes.
Mm-hmm.
And last 15 days, I went through all the definitions.
Oh.
I wrote it down and went through all the 49 processes definition. I understand in which process what happens and get used to
Perfect.
it. So that 49 processes daily, as per your recommendation, I've adhered to, and that really helped.
Good to
I
know.
know, like you said, after 10, 15 years, writing itself was a, forget about reading and getting it in your brain, because your brain is almost it's not working at the same pace like you were into your education days, right?
Right. 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 A lot changes after the academic.
So,
Our mindset lot changes. Mm, mm. Got you. Got you. Look like Prasad, there is some network glitch on your side or my side. I'm seeing some
yeah,
slowness. Uh, Hope your network is good. Okay.
yeah,
Okay, fine. Prasad, a little about the examination. Did you went to proctor exam or a center-based exam?
yeah, I went for a center based exam,
Okay.
and I never wanted to take a chance with the internet, 4 hours electricity, and also I thought center was very close by, just 5 to 10 minutes from my house. So
Oh,
I went to the
okay.
center and gave it. Very professional, very professional. I
Oh,
have not seen. So I I'll tell you, during my graduation also, I never felt it like this. So it is so professional, like you can't even carry a handkerchief inside. So
yeah, that's right. They'll empty your pocket.
yeah. So
Yeah.
it was a good experience. And like you said, it is more of your mind game, like how you get used to that environment.
Yep.
Take one question at a
Yep.
time, and then go forward. So it really helped.
Yep. Yep. It's like getting to a war zone. What happen is when you get inside, they'll start removing everything from you. Empty your pocket,
Yeah.
take your watch out, wallet out. It's something like a good warrior. What happens is they enter the war field. They don't bother whether the sword is with them or not. They can fight at any form.
Great.
It's about the mind.
Yes.
Okay, if you see the
Mind.
real Bahubali stuff, they don't need any
Yeah.
equipment. They just go there
Yes.
and do it because it's all in your mind, right?
Yes.
So when I stand in the room, they ask me to take your hands and start scanning me, take a kerchief out this. I don't bother anything. It's here. It's
Yes.
so you be there, you do the game. Great, good to know. So how was your first 10, 15 questions? Was it a bouncer? Was it normal?
Yes. The first five were a little bit bouncer.
Oh,
So I will not say it, overall paper was not that tough, but first 5 to 7 questions were real bounces. So
cool.
already you are into that pressure mode and getting used to, will
Okay.
I clear? Will I not clear the exam? On top of that, these 5, 7 questions which came at a bouncer, but
Uh-huh.
then I had made my mind saying no. First 89 questions, just be cool. Treat
Okay.
one question at a time.
Okay.
Go for it. Your time will come. So I took that as an
Yeah.
approach for me, saying
Right.
one by one. So after fifth, seventh, then I started getting used to the
Perfect.
question, and I think it really went well.
Perfect.
And I completed my 89 questions in almost 110 minutes.
Less than 2 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was little bit. I had the target for 100 minutes maybe, but
Okay.
then it is fine. And I had marked around 10 to 15 questions. So I
Perfect.
went through that quickly for 5 minutes, and then I said I need a break, because it is much needed after those 89 questions. So then I know, based upon all past success stories and your
Okay.
feedback recommendation, I took a 5 minutes break, went outside, had a sip of water, one chocolate.
Oh man, you carry chocolate.
So I followed everything which you said. I thought when someone experienced is giving you some kind of a thought, it is for a good reason. Just don't go and blindly follow it. I'm sure it will make it count. And it really helped because it re-energized your brain and mind. And then when you come back, I took a deep breath and said, now it is your turn to get the other 100 question, 110 questions.
Right.
So yes, it was good experience, Sriram. So
Perfect. Great to know. Now, usually I tell about this breathing stuff. I know we are not going to do any yogasanam there, but still, breathing makes your oxygen flow really well. We don't generally breathe well when you're under pressure. We make a half a breath. So
I agree.
that's
And on top of that, mask is there, right?
oh yeah, that is also there. Pretty crazy, man. Okay. That
So
I think again your network is
remove mask, let it know. We said you what are you doing?
okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Now it's better.
I think some
break is happening. Hey, by the way, tell me which area was pretty tough in the exam? Which questions area?
I think risk management was a little bit tough. I never received much of calculation. Only thing is they have not used numbering. They have used wordings. So instead of 3-point estimation and all, rather than giving 4, 7, 10, they used to give SEVN. So you have to make out those words and then calculate. So not that tough. I think easy ones to score. And I had gone through the videos earlier, right? So that experience was there, saying yes. I expected similar kind of questions to come. So it was good. Paper was not that tough. It is more of your application, more of being calm, taking one question at a time, and then move forward. So I think after 200 question, I just prayed, saying I just need that congratulation on the screen. Forget about target, below target, and target. So when I clicked that and the congratulations came, that too was very small.
Okay.
I was really happy. Saying, done. I don't need anything else in my life.
You know what? Some people get emotional. They start getting tears.
Yeah. So it was there, and on top of that, they ask you to wait because that screen comes up. You have to do feedback, and you are already through your emotions, saying you have cleared a huge milestone, and going through that pop-up coming up. So it was good experience.
Okay. I'm even recommending PMI to change it a little more. Once it says a color, congratulations, and then leave them free. Let them enjoy it. Don't put a review it, click this. Man, leave them free. Let them So somebody at PMI should take this feedback and give some congratulations, big screen. I want to give it in a blue or a yellow color, colorful crackers. Congratulations.
I asked the center proctor saying, can you please verify I've cleared the exam? So when I came outside and saw that letter, I said, yes, now you have cleared. It shows pass. Wow. Then I started getting, I sent that scanned copy, like a photocopy to Rahul and said, Rahul, can you please confirm I've cleared the exam? He said, yes, sir, you have cleared. It will take time. You'll need at least an evening to get used to saying, yes, you have cleared the PMP exam.
Maybe PMI is going to...
You are not saying...
Yeah, now PMI is telling that quality means meeting the requirement. So for them, congratulations, over.
Yes.
No creep and all.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. I know many people send me a photo, tell that, hey, that shows it's pass. In the bottom, it shows above target, below target. Did I clear the exam? Man,
I know. It happens.
Only the word pass. If you see pass, it's good. After 2 hours, again they'll message me, Sriram, are you sure? Because I don't see the certificate in the website. It will take 4 hours to get the certificate. Please wait.
No, I think everyone goes through that, right? Everyone goes through that.
PMI communication is a slightly weaker area where they have to improve. A person clears the exam, an email should go to his mail address. Hey, congratulations, you cleared the exam. Yeah. How much time it's going to trigger an email to tell us?
It comes after a couple of hours. Till that time, you're into shock, saying, have I cleared? Then you wait for your certificate, saying, oh, let me see the certificate at least. So then, yes. It is a good experience.
After paying $500, I cannot wait like that, right? In,
Yeah,
in
I agree.
yeah, in Amazon, you buy one earbud, they send 4 SMS and 5 emails.
Yeah.
For 80 bucks, I
Yeah.
buy something, they sent 5 emails. This guy is sending $500, not even one email.
Yeah. Single small message. That's it. You have to wait for 4 to 5 hours.
Anyway, PMI has to improve a
Yeah.
lot. It will improve. By the way,
Yeah.
it's really good hearing you. But tell me the next step of a PMP exam. Did you wake up early?
Yeah. So I didn't sleep for that night. I'll tell you. I'll start from there.
Okay.
Uh, Everyone said that one day before the exam you have to be calm, cool. Just don't study, don't stress. Whoever says that is based upon their experience, and they don't tell you that even though you do that, sleep early, you will not sleep. So till I think mid 2 a.m. in the night, I was awake. And at by 2 a.m. I said now I think I have lost it. I may not clear because my brain will not work. I will not recollect. Finally, I slept I think around 2:30, and I woke up at 5:15 in the morning. So that was just 3 to 4 hours sleep. But yes, everyone will say be calm, take rest, don't study. But the person who is going through that, he himself knows what pain he goes through. So yes, I woke up at 5:15, took a bath. I wrote down the 49 processes again at 6 o'clock in the morning.
That's
The reason is I thought yes, one last time I have to recollect. Then I said yes, now it's enough. Let's go ahead and face it. And I went to the exam, give it.
That's good. That's good
Yeah.
actually. Yeah, I know that I used to talk to people who go to exam. I give the same version, telling that try to sleep early. I won't tell sleep early, try to sleep early because I know nobody can sleep the previous night. It is something I used to tell that when in college days, when you want to propose a girl or a boy, uh, the previous night, you don't know what color shirt you have to wear, how to be. You keep thinking in that. That is for the adult stage. When a childhood stage is Diwali, the next day of Diwali, the previous night, I can't sleep because
Yeah.
I want to wake up early and burn the crackers. So
Because yeah,
the whole night you'll be dreaming about it. So it's a very human factor. One day not sleeping will not affect you. Your brain
I
will
agree.
be active, right?
Yes.
But now what I'm hearing from people is after completing the exam, 2, 3 days are not they're not sleeping properly. They're waking up early. Uh,
Yes.
they want to do something. Sriram, tell me something. I want to kick somebody. Hold on, hold on.
So that feeling is because they are fully re-energized, saying that all the tension is gone away, right? So they're looking for another certification every day morning, 7 o'clock. I'm up. So
They
it's that.
ask me, Sriram, tell me, can I join Indian Army? Can I go to NASA? No, hold on, hold on.
Yeah.
Whatever you learned now
Yes.
sharpen it.
Yeah.
Don't think you clear PMP, you are top of the world. You
Agree.
got the
Agree.
message. Okay, you are top of the world. I'm agreeing, but sharpen the skill.
Yes.
Now start it very sharp so you can launch it perfectly.
Yep.
That you should do now. What you learned, start implementing it.
Yes.
User stakeholder, user communication, user risk management, a professional way of communication. And
Sure.
now people realize that yes, you are certified. You no need to show
Yes.
your certificate. Your language tells you are certified.
Yeah.
So
Application is more important. Yeah.
next 2 to 3 months, you have to sharp that skill. That's important,
Yes.
right? That's
Yeah.
great. Good to know. Good to know. So any do's and don'ts and tips from you?
So I'll start with do's. 49 processes daily. As long as you can write, please. So imagine if your duration is 2 3 months, even if you write for 30 days, it really helps. By
Mm.
the time you come close to your exam, all the 49 process you don't have to write. It's here. So 49 processes for sure. Uh, I would recommend Rita for people who are not from project management background,
Mm.
and Head First as well, because it gives you pictorial representation and then it's easy to read. But people who go through PMBOK and are from the same field, for them, I think PMBOK is good. It's really the language used in PMBOK is really nice.
Mm.
Like I said, I went through all the three books,
Mm.
and that is the first. I think after writing the processes, going through at least PMBOK, Head First, or Rita once
Mm.
really helps. After you have read, don't immediately start going and giving mock exams. See
Mm.
whether you have understood the subject. I would recommend to read again once. just to ensure. First time you read, you just go through and browse through. Second time you read, you get the understand that you have missed out certain parts, or you absorb a little bit more. So
Right.
after that is done, definitely Prepcast.
Mm.
Yes, I think there are many mock exams in the market, but I think Prepcast is there. I think it gives you, not only gives you a similar experience of PMI exam, actual exam, but it gives you where you're lacking. You can understand, analyze, go through the wrong ones, right ones, and I think Prepcast is a must. So I would recommend Prepcast in to do's. In don'ts is don't. So people say that you have to minimum score 70, 75, 80, right? Which is recommended, but just don't go behind the scoring. I would recommend go through the mock exam. Maybe if you are going for Prepcast, 1 to 5 are pretty easy. 1 to 5, even though you are scoring 60, 65, 70, that is fine. What is important is after you have given those 4-hour exam, analyze that thoroughly. I made a mistake by not analyzing first to 4 to the level which you guys recommend, like going through the right and wrong both.
Right.
uh, After 4 hours of exam, people think 1 or 2 hours your review is done. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to apply at least one day to go through all the wrong ones, see where you're going wrong, and then study that, go through the PMBOK. I think that really helps. So if you do that thoroughly, then giving your next mock, you will see the difference of 5 to 7 or 10% in your percentage.
Got you. Got you. That's really coverage, Prasad. I like it. Thanks a lot. Really useful information, I believe. Many of
Yeah,
them have this problem not analyzing the question properly.
yeah.
That's where they lose a mark. Fantastic. Really, really great one. Okay, that's fantastic. Interesting. So talk about what domain you work and what is the job nature. How is this PM going to help you?
So I am into, I manage the project management team. I am into healthcare IT.
Very good.
Okay. I manage a project management team in Allscripts, Pune, healthcare IT company. So this is definitely going to help me. At the ground level, Sriram, we normally follow our own practices, right? Our own practices. But sometimes the book, the application, it really helps, and that is what it matters, right? So,
Perfect.
like you said, yes, I'm going to apply all this into my day-to-day operation, service delivery, client handling, stakeholder management,
Perfect.
and take it to the next level. Uh, like you always see, right? It's not only up to you clearing a certificate and then saying, no, now it's done. I want to take it to the next level, implement all these things.
Perfect.
Uh, my team is also started looking at getting certified. So
Very good.
out of 7 or 8 members, 3 or 4 are already certified. So
Wow.
remaining are studying, and they are going for exam by end of December.
Very
So
good.
yes, as a team, we have made a target for this year, saying yes, we will all be certified, so that we talk the same language, right?
Exactly. Exactly. That's pretty important. What you said now, language. Uh,
Yeah,
how human civilization happened is on the language. Through
yeah,
language, listen certain things. It goes faster in a very professional way, right? That's
sure.
pretty. Every company has their own process. Nothing wrong in it.
Yes,
But when you know the international standards, it's easy to talk beyond the boundaries and
yeah,
you make it faster. Somebody moving in 1 month, you would have moved in 1 week of time.
yes,
So that is what we are looking, right?
yeah,
We're looking for something we can do in within seconds. We need time, but how early you can do certain things, so you start achieving better. End
yeah.
up customer satisfaction is going to happen with your
Very important. Yeah,
great. Happy to know that, Prasad. Thanks a lot. And once again, good wishes to you for your grand success. And as I keep telling that, this PFP is a stepping stone. Now
yeah,
you are reborn.
yeah.
When you found all your discipline of waking up early, reading consistently, and when you see the result, it shows that, man, I can do, I can do this.
Yes,
Now, when I can do this, I can do more than this.
yeah.
So
Agree.
now that the energy level is with us, we have to hold that energy level,
Sure.
start growing higher and next levels in our organization or personal life also. It's not only professional, always
Yeah,
personal life also. Right?
sure. Yeah.
Super. Super. Keep rocking and thanks a lot for coming up here.
Thank you, Sriram. Thanks to you and Rahul. Even though we never met, so our path would cross in future,
Sure.
and looking forward to working closely with Sri Learning. Thank you.
Great. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.